Welcome to Learn UI, UX, and Mobile App Design in Photoshop, where I'll take you through the entire process of creating your own mobile app from scratch and show you how to get design projects. My name is Juston Esteban and I'm a freelance graphic designer. This is a mobile design course in Photoshop, no coding involved. Throughout the course, we will cover not only how to use the Adobe Photoshop, but also the importance of UI UX in design. And I will walk you through a step-by-step process for designing 10 mobile screens from scratch, and even show you how to prototype your design to see how it looks like in real mobile device. Because our goal is to get you up to speed as quickly as possible, we'll cover the most common tools in Photoshop, best practices for UI UX, and proper steps in designing a trendy mobile app. At the end of the course, you'll be a complete mobile app designer with enough confidence to earn at least $500 a week by designing and selling mobile app templates. This course is designed for people who want to earn an extra income on the internet or looking for a new career. If you know how to use Adobe Photoshop and want to take your designing skills to the next level, then this is a good course for you. Thanks for your interest in this course. I hope you're excited as I am. If you're ready to learn more and sign up for the course, go ahead and hit that enroll button. See you in the course.